Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. As you can see here, we have 1:35 p.m. so we have a small p right here. So instead of seeing 1:35, we can see 13:35. So let's do that. What you want to do is to press and hold the set button for 3 seconds. You are going to see this flashing, so beeping of the digital display. We can set the first time or the second time depending on what you want. You can always use these two buttons in order to switch, and I'm going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the different options. You can set the time, the date, and I'm going to go past that. And here we have 12 hours, as you can see, and if I press any of these two buttons, I can switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display. Once you have done that, all you need to do is to press the set button or the recall button once again, and as you can see, instead of seeing 1:36 p.m., I am seeing 13:36. So guys, that was the quick tutorial for today. I have a full guide with all the functions and features of this Timex Ironman Triathlon watch, link in the description box below, so make sure to watch that video. I'm also going to leave a link somewhere here above, so make sure to check it out. And also guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next on this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.